Oh, ow. He's putting it on my leg.
So move your leg.
I can't. I went on Percy. By big.
Hey Quince, you're a little close to the back end of that horse. Let's move it forward, River. Move Horsey this way. There you go. Just so you don't accidentally rock on the Quincy.
I can handle that. I'm a sister.
Oh, you can handle that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good.
I love this puppy dog. I can only handle puppy dogs because they're safe. Bye. Baby. I just read up. Second episode. Read it up. Red blood break the rock. And about break the Freddy Fox. Without come baby Freddy.
That was great, River. Good job.